on, Nikki. Come on, Nick. Get it. Come on, Kissy. Get it.
Come on, Sylvie. Oh, now don't quit on me now.
Let's get that thing out of the mouth.
Oh. There she goes. There we go.
There we go.
There we go.
This is real Pokemon right here.
Come on, Sylvie. Show him what you got.
Come on, Sylvie.
Come on, baby.
He was like, fuck off. Yeah.
Sylvie.
You are old.
She's like, I quit. No, not now. Oh,
Yeah,
there we
Nico.
go.
See, Nico was,
Yeah. Oh, this is good,
Yo,
man.
yeah.
This is real good.
Nico's been learning. Nico's been training serious. Nice.
He's like, I'm dominant now, dude.
You lost your title, Sylvia, a long time ago.
She used to. Now she just chills. She's just,
A long time ago, Sylvia.
I'll just do fleeting. I'll just.
She's like biting him and like nibbling on him. Like, what is that toy? Yeah. Give me that shit.
Yeah.
See, they're squaring off. They're squaring off. That's what we call it. Squaring off. Yeah.
It's like, really?
I'm only doing this for show. I'm only doing this because there's a camera on me. It's a photo op.
Nico knows what's up, man.
It's my toy.
Yeah.
Lego, man.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Oh, good, Zoe.
It's like, whatever.
She's like, I'm giving up. Like I said, I'm only doing it because it's a photo op. That's the only reason she's doing it. Otherwise, she'd be asleep.
We're gonna do Kung Fu again.
Yeah, here we go. Here we go.
This is how
Oh,
they
look. Oh, that's so cute.
Kung Fu.
Oh.
No, that's how they do it. They Kung Fu.
Yep, this is it. This is real deal.
Yep.
Oh, man, see?
Come on, Nico. Oh, Nico. Come on, get up.
Yeah, I mean, you're giving in too easy, guy. Acting like a girl. Get up, come on,
Get up,
show her.
Nico. Yeah, there we go.
There we go. All right. There we go. That's better.
Come on, Nico. Yeah.
Oh,
There we
man.
go.
There we go.
Come on, Nico. Show all your new moves. Your jump kick.
Yeah.
He has a jump kick?
Yeah.
Cool.
Or his teleport.